It's another paint in the fence. Yeah, painting the front perimeter fence of Kabulwan Elementary School is hereby done. The collaborative way of doing by learning from the pupils themselves as part of their EPP. And here's another set of young artists in the making, you know, doing their best to add whatever they can do to completely finish the painting and beautifying of the school fence. It should be noted, however, that these girls really desire to learn the art of brush painting using water-based paints under the guidance and assistance of their teacher. You will notice further that these pupils are having fun doing the job, and that's the way it's done here at Kabulwan Elementary School. It's really learning by doing.